Chris Udick, Technical Director of Karnak. I'm here on a metal roof to show you some of the deficiencies a metal roof can have. The one we're showing here today is the coating. It could be a factory applied finish or a coating that was applied years later, but obviously you can see it's flaking off the roof. I'm going to need a scraper, a wire brush, a rag with cleaner, KARNAFLEX thermoplastic rubber sealant, and a brush. Just scrape away any loose coating or sealant. Wire brush. Wipe the area down with a rag with some $7.99 wash and prep roof cleaner and water. And then I will apply a dollop of KARNAFLEX over top of it to seal that fastening. And now that we've done this repair, we can apply our coating over top.